The Acumatica Construction Edition is a cloud-based solution designed for the construction industry, including subcontractors. As a subcontractor, you log into Acumatica, you're displayed with your workspaces. They include the different modules and features that are important to your company. As I highlight one of the workspaces, it'll give me a different look at information, reports, inquiries, and features that are associated with each of these. From a vendor perspective, accounts payable, we can get into purchasing, requisitions. So each are designed for an individual, can be modified, made simple, easy to use. As we move away from a workspace, I go to my dashboard. The software is shipped with multiple dashboards for different types of users. They're also available to define for an individual on your own. Each of these dashboards is made up of widgets. Each widgets have an ability to drill down to transactions. We can modify these using the designer. I can drill down on any of the widgets, will take me to the associated information. In this case, I've drilled down to a job that we're doing. We're doing the job itself for the U.S. Department of Transportation. From this one screen, I can do almost everything that I need to on the project. If I move tab by tab, I can see different areas of the project. In this case, on the revenue tab, I can see exactly how I've structured my revenue. How am I going to do my billings or my draws? I can see it at a very detailed level, or I can also group this and determine that my draws or billing going to be more of at a summary level. From a summary perspective, I can see I've got design, engineering, pipe, culvert, signalization that I've got out here. If I go back to the group, I can also see that if I want, I can break it down into more of a cost code orientation. While I'm on this schedule of values, I can come out and run my project billing. It'll generate the pro forma invoice, allow me to work it through the system, take it to DocuSign for approval, sign if we need to. I can drill down on transactions. So if we've got different bills out there, draws out there, I can drill down from the screen. I can take my schedule of values to Excel. If my schedule of values is in Excel, I can import it right from an Excel spreadsheet. If I move to the cost budget tab, this will show you the other side of the project. This is where my sub-jobs and my cost codes, where I'm accumulating cost, inventory, purchase orders, and subcontracts. This is showing me all of the area that I'm doing work. As I move through any of these and I highlight one of my line items, I can come out to see what I've got outstanding. If I have any commitments that are out here, I highlight a line item, I hit View Commitment Detail. Software will drill me down and now show me every commitment that I have associated with this line item on this project. If I want to look more detail on this commitment, I can drill from my query. We'll open up the commitment itself. While here, I can drill down to the vendor. I can identify where the subcontract is, if I have any compliance issues, either on the vendor, on the subcontract, or on the project. If I were to come out in my actions and actually generate a subcontract document, I could take that subcontract document, drive it to a PDF, and then send it right from within Acumatica. I can email it, I can send it to DocuSign and route it to my DocuSign. When it's signed, it will move its way right back into Acumatica and attach to the original record. If we move back to the project, I can get into change orders. The change orders themselves are processed within here. I can create change orders. I can drill down to see the change order. As I move into a change order document, I can look at the revenue. These are the existing line items that I'm modifying, new line items that I'm adding. I can look at the cost budget. I can select different line items to modify. I can add new line items on the fly. If I've got commitments out here, I can select the different commitment line items that I want to add. The software will handle that all in one screen, allow me to move to look through a gross margin on my change order. If we generate the change order document from the action, I can email it, I can turn it into a PDF, I can move it out into DocuSign for signature purposes. As we continue to move, if you're utilizing Acumatica's CRM system, this will where I can log all my activities associated with this project. If we want to look at balances, we can look at the income and expenses. And from within here, if I want to drill down to transactions or look at commitments, I can drill from one screen. This will show me all the commitments associated with this one project. I can drill down to see the detail in each commitment. If I continue to move through here, this will show me all my invoices. If I click on the pro forma, it will drill me right out and show me the pro forma that I have, the different line items, what the draw was. From this, I can take it and email it. I can drive it to a file. I can send it through DocuSign or Adobe eSign. This can be progress-based, or we can do a T&M as well. We go back to the project. I can also come out and see If I've got any compliance issues, insurance, releases, they're all managed here from the project as well. So as you can see, everything can be done from one screen in Acumatica Construction Edition. It's a full-featured solution that offers not only construction, but will also give a subcontractor the ability to expand into different areas, including material management, equipment, time and expense, full banking, supply side, we do distribution, and for those manufacturing-oriented construction companies, we have a full manufacturing edition as well.
I'd like to thank you for joining me today. If you care for a deeper dive demonstration based on your own organization's functionality and requirements, please reach out to your local Acumatica reseller or contact the number you're seeing up on your screen or via info@acumatica.com.